Hello everyone. Today we will start new chapter, that is Panchayati Raj. As you know that India is a democratic country, and in India we select our leader or our representative through election. So here first we discuss about three types or three levels of government. First we are discussing about local level, state level and national level. So here we are discussing about local level. So first we try to understand what happened when we elect our representative through voting. So first of all, our elders means a person who is 18 years old, they have right to vote in election and they choose their representative. This representative work for the specific part or local level. So here first of all we discuss about Gram Sabha. What is the Gram Sabha at local level? So Gram Sabha, which is the meeting where people directly participated and seek answers from their elected representative. Yes, the representative give answer, they solve their questions through Gram Sabha. Here they talk about their village. Sometimes what happened, this Gram Sabha which is for many villages, and here one committee members means Sarpanch as well as some ward members and secretary, they try to solve their problems. So through this chapter first we discuss about Gram Sabha of Hardaspur village. So the people of Hardaspur village are keen to find out what their new panchayat leaders have planned for the village. So this is the discussion about meeting. So through this chapter here to try to understand, it's a special day today, everyone rushing to get to the Gram Sabha. Do you know why they are going? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. Yes, they form a new Gram Panchayat and this leader will solve their all problems. The people of Hardaspur village are find out what their new Panchayat leaders have planned for the village. So in Gram Sabha, meeting begins with the Panchayat President. Who is the Panchayat President? Who is also called Sarpanch. Sarpanch is called as a Panchayat President. Okay. So, and the member of the Panchayat who are the Panch means what? The presenting a plan, reporting the road and connecting the villages to the main highway. They are discussing about different issues like road problem as well as water problem, scarcity of water. Okay, so they are discussing about different issues, different topics here in their meeting. After this, the discussions move to the subject of water and water shortage. Sometimes you observe that in many villages, in many cities, they face shortage of water during winter as well as in summer season. So here in Hardaspur village also, these people discussing about the scarcity of water during this seasons. So a villager called Tijia begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardaspur village has become very acute. It's rise day by day. This problem they face, lot of problem related to water. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. They try to drill the ground level because here what was there? We hardly get any water in the tap. These people are discussing with their Sarpanch. Women have to go to the Suru river which is around 3 kilometers away from their village. Okay, so they live in Hardaspur village and Suru river is 3 kilometers away from the Suru river to get water. One of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. So they are giving their suggestions to Sarpanch as well as Panch members. But the other thing, that will be expensive. It's better, they feel that, to deepen the head pump and clean the well for this season. So some of the person, they give their advice, it is quite costly. So they give their suggestion to deepen the well or clean the well to get easily water. So Tijia says, Tijia is one of the villagers of Hardaspur village. This is not enough. We need to do something more permanently as groundwater level seems to be going down every year. This is not a permanent solution. So we are using more water than it's seeping into the ground. So that's why they are thinking the another way to get a permanent solution of their water problems. So another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water. There are many ways to harvesting water or conserving water. So Tijia is discussing about how we conserve water and recharging it in a village in Maharashtra, where he would once gone to visit his brother. It was called watershed development, and he had heard that the government gave money for this work or for this plan. So he suggests another plan to solve this water problem. In his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructing check dams and built tanks also. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find about in detail. So they give suggestions that I went to Maharashtra and I observed some water harvesting projects are there. So he also gives suggestion to permanent solution of water crisis. So in this way they are discussing about water issues. Every village panchayat is divided into different wards, and here they select ward members to support Sarpanch, who is the president of our village. For example, smaller area, each ward elected a representative who is known as the ward member, means a panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch, who is the Panchayat President. Yes, Sarpanch is called as the Panchayat President. The Ward Panch and the Sarpanch form Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. In every 5 years, they have elections and people give them vote and they choose their representative. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person but is appointed directly by our government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of a Gram Sabha. Secretary, we can't appoint secretary because our government directly appointed secretary. So here you saw in Gram Sabha there is one Sarpanch with many Panch members who are from different wards, and government will appoint secretary to hold Gram Sabha. So in this meeting, the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat are keeping a record of proceeding, all the issues, all they answer to their solutions. So now the next item on the agenda for the Gram Sabha is the finalizing of the list of people who are below the poverty line. It is called as a BPL. BPL means below poverty line. which had to be approved by the Gram Sabha. Here they find out the peoples who are below poverty line. As soon as the list is read out, people begin whispering. Natwar has just bought a color TV and his son has sent his a new motorcycle. How can he be below the poverty line? All the people are discussing about this people. The Surajmal mutters to the people sitting next to him. Saroj says, Sukhi Bai, how did Birju name get onto the list? Because he is actually not a poor person. So how they enter Birju's name in this list? Because this list is related to poor people. He had so much land. This list should have only for poor people. And Om Prakash is a landless laborer who can barely make ends meet. Means here they are discussing about Om Prakash, who is actually a poor people. But here they can't mention the name of Om Prakash in this list. So all the people they are discussing here, yet his name is not on the list. You know that both Natwar and Birju are friends of Amirchand. Amirchand is a person who enters the name of a poor people, who have authority to write the names, search and write down the names of poor people. Who can counter Amirchand's power? Sukhi Bai says Amirchand was the earlier zamindar. Zamindar means landowner of the village and still has control over a lot of land. But we should get Om Prakash name to put in this list, because he is actually a poor person. So all peoples are discussing about Om Prakash. The Sarpanch means who is the president of the village. He noticed people are whispering and asked if anyone has anything to say. So one of the member of the village, who is the Saroj Bai, he tried to provoke Sarojmal to ask about Natwar and Birju's name. Why they enter the name of Natwar and Birju? Actually they are not a poor people, but here their names are speak about. So they ask about why they enter the name of Natwar and Birju. But he keeps quiet. Amirchand is sitting in the Gram Sabha, keeping an eye on everyone. Then Saroj Bai gets up and says that Om Prakash name should be in BPL list because he is actually a poor people. Other agreed that he and his family are very poor. So the Sarpanch asked how his name had been missed out to Amirchand. The teacher who did the survey of BPL families, means the teachers who entered the name of a below poverty line peoples, so below poverty line families, says Om Prakash house was locked when I were there. So they give the reason why they can't enter the name of Om Prakash. He may have gone somewhere to look for work. The Sarpanch gives instruction that Om Prakash family income be looked at, and if it is very less, then we have to enter or we have to decide by the government his name should be included in this list. Gram Sabha is a key factor in making Gram Panchayat. So here they listen to the people and their problems and they try to solve these problems and plays its role and be responsible for that. And the Gram Sabha prevents the Panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. So here they give that certain responsibility to different peoples. For example, if they want to list below poverty line, so they choose some teachers to find out these poor people from the village area and make out the list. So in this way they plan their work. It is the place where all the plans for the work of a Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. The Gram Sabha prevent the Panchayat from doing wrong things like misusing money, and in this way it plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the person who is elected them. Here people elect their representative as well as some ward members and they done their work. So secretary observe all this work, so they done their work properly or not. So first we try to understand the work of a Gram Panchayat includes. As you know that in our area they build some check dams, they maintain road, then they collect garbage from our house, the construction and maintenance of water sources, road, drainage system, school building and other common property resources. For example, they maintain some health care, as well as they build some libraries, ground for the students, senior citizen park, etc. Second, levying and collecting local tax from the villages. Third one, executing government schemes related to generating employment in the villages. They give jobs to the workers or farmers. Sometime what happened, you saw there is a scarcity of water. Due to this people, they are doing other work, they are not doing farming because there is less of rain, and that's why they are doing other work. So government will provide them job also. Sources of fund for the panchayat means here they give you the example of collection of tax on houses, marketplace, shops, etc. Government schemes, funds received through various department of the government through the Janpad and Jila Panchayat. In next session, in next chapter, we will discuss more about Zilla Panchayat and state level. Then donations for community works. For example, if they celebrate any festival in village area, that time also they collect some funds. Through this, they get some sources of fund. So here we are discussing about sources of fund for the panchayat. So here again we discuss about Gram Panchayat. First we discuss about Gram Sabha. Now what is Gram Panchayat or what is the role of Gram Panchayat? The Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one of its main tasks is to implement development program for the village area or for the town places that comes under it. As you have seen, the work of a Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. First, they held a meeting in a village level or a Gram level. Gram means a village. And after that, they approve different issues. They solve the problem of public. They provide some facilities. And this fund, whatever fund is required, they provide through the Gram Panchayat. In some state, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction committee and development committees like health committee, road maintenance committee. Different committees they form for the welfare of the people. This committee includes some member of the Gram Sabha and some form the Gram Panchayat who work together to carry out special tasks. Here they divide these people, divide these ward members to different work. So that's why in this way they are doing different work togetherly. Okay, let's see what the Hardas Gram Panchayat was able to do. Do you remember the options that were suggested to solve the water problem in the Gram Sabha of Hardaspur village? When the Hardas Gram Panchayat held a meeting, this point was brought up again by some of the member, means a panch. This meeting was attended by the sarpanch, ward members as well as secretary also. So Gram Panchayat members first discussed the suggestions to deepen 2 head pumps and clean 1 well for getting water very easily. The village would not go without water, so that's why the sarpanch, means a panchayat president, suggested that since the panchayat had received some money from the maintenance of head pump, this could be used for completing this work. The member agreed and the secretary recorded their decisions. Okay, so here in this way they tried to solve the different issues or different problems. In our textbook, they give you the best performance of different ward members. So that's why our government also rewarded these people. 2 village panch from Maharashtra who were awarded the Nirmal Gram Puraskar in 2005 for the excellent work done by them in the panchayat. So that's why our government also run this kind of program to award these persons, which is already given in our textbook. The member then went on to discuss the options for the long-term solution of their problem of Hardaspur village, water issues of Hardaspur village. They were sure that the Gram Sabha members would ask question at the next meeting. Some panch asked whether the watershed program would make a substantial difference to the water level, because this is a permanent solution of their water problems. A lot of discussion followed. In the end, it is decided that the Gram Panchayat would approach the block development officer and get more information on the scheme, because this kind of programs need lot of money. So that's why they discuss with a block development officer for the further information. After that, here we are discussing about 3 levels of panchayat. First we try to understand this. The Gram Panchayat in Hardaspur village, you can understand that the Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participated in their government. Yes, after the election they arranged the Gram Sabha. In the Gram Sabha they are discussing different issues, and after that sarpanch, secretary and ward member, means a panch, they try to solve their problems. They give the answer in many ways. So here, after reading about what happened in the Gram Sabha, the Gram Panchayat in Hardaspur village, you can understand that the Panchayati Raj system process through which people participated in this meeting, and the Panchayati Raj system is the first tier or the first level of democratic government. Here we are discussing that this is the local level. The Panch and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha because it is the member of Gram Sabha who elected their representative, who elected their sarpanch and ward members through the process of election. This idea of peoples participated in the Panchayati Raj system extend to other level. One is here we are discussing about, one is a Janpad Panchayat, or we can say that Panchayat Samiti Raj or block level. This all are the same level. This is the local level of our Gram Panchayat, which is called the Janpad Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and we are talking about the Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayat under it. Above the Gram Panchayat Samiti is here we are talking about the upper level is the Zilla Parishad makes the development plans at the district level. After that they are doing in different level work, means at district level. Through this district level they try to solve the problems of the people. Here after that we are discussing about Zilla Parishad actually makes development plans at the district level with the help of Panchayat Samiti. It also regulated the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayat. First they collect the money from the Zilla Panchayat and then they distributed this money to all the Panchayat. Within the guideline given in the constitution, each state in a country has its own laws with regard to Panchayats. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their votes. Yes, as you know that above the 18 years, this citizen or this people have right to vote and attain this type of Gram Sabha and solve the problem of our village. So in this chapter already we covered all the topics. I hope you understand that. Thank you.